What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? This freaking thing is weird, man. Like, it's been on my wall for the longest time. I don't know. It looks creepy when I'm looking through the little eye hole in the camera. But you guys probably can't even hear me very much. It's freaking... I don't know. This thing's pretty cool, though. I mean... I don't know if you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? Because I can sure hear myself a lot. But today, you already know, we about to be doing a room show because my room is super clean right now. Probably the cleanest it's ever been. And that's why I decided that, that's what we're gonna do. So, really? Bad timing, dog. I mean, dog isn't like a dog. I meant dog isn't like, like a friend, like, what's up, dog? That's what I meant. But, yeah, let's get into this room show, man. Let's do it. Alright, here's the door, obviously, the entryway to the room. I'm kind of doing this in little segments so that, I can actually explain stuff one at a time. So, here's what happens. You walk right in. We're actually going to cover up. You're not going to see the setup or anything. It's not even a super good setup, but I'm not going to show you guys that first. First thing I'm going to show you is my dresser. Alright, dresser. We got Xbox on it. We got Xbox controller. We got some wireless and wired. It's like wired and wireless together. Headphones that I can use. We got my TV. It ain't the biggest TV, but it's a TV. We got some pretty dope speakers, man. And we got this little car light up thing, changes colors and whatever. But then you can just hold it to stop it. Boom. We got some rocks that I got. I don't remember where I got them. And we got a salt lamp. I have to have this under it because it literally was traveling all around here. Like when the sun was getting on it, was like melting and traveling all around my dresser. We got my school computer. Yeah, that's about it. This is all here. We got some drawers, obviously. Got my clothes in it, obviously. Alright, next we're gonna do is show the closet, man. We're gonna show the closet. Over in the corner, we just got a couple cords, but we open up into the closet, man. This place is nice. We got some bags here. You guys probably can't see very well, but we got some cans right there. We got backpack, another backpack. This is my main backpack. I like this backpack. And then we got my winter jacket, and then we got some some stylish, not stylish, but some like dress clothes. And then over here we got some big bags for when I gotta big bags, and then the little like Meyer type bags up here just for when I need to change out my trash can. We got some shoes, sandals, dirty clothes bin. We got jackets right here. You already know the jackets are well, these are the jackets. There's nothing really cool about them, but there's jackets. There's also jackets up here, but this is for the outfits, like the jacket and pants to go together. This doesn't really have an outfit with it. I just was too lazy to fit it in between there. So, and then another jacket too that I need to fix up also. And the floor, we got my skates, pants. Nothing really too crazy in the closet. But as we walk out of the closet, and I'm gonna shut the door right there, we have my little it's another dresser. It was like a secondary dresser, and like a little bench area. We got the cat that won't be quiet. And then we got, I'm trying not to show you guys anything. We got the other cat. Stop it. Alright, so this area here has got a piano on it. In case I want to play the piano. It's not turned up. Yeah, it's just a regular old piano. In case I want to, actually do something. This was up on the wall here. Right there. I finally took it down to use it. We have a lamp right here. All Alexa-fied. Right here is a light bulb that I connected through an Alexa. We have this. I think this is automatic because I don't really use it. Will you leave me alone, man? I'm trying to do this. So yeah, this area here, got my piano on it. On top, I'm not gonna show you what's up there. It's a bunch of cool stuff. That's for a separate episode. And here, he's got some of my a lot of equipment for we got speakers, a microphone, some mouse, mice, I guess you could say, since there's a bunch of them. And yeah, that's basically for that. Down here, we got my Nerf guns and stuff. Nerf guns, water guns, you know, stuff like that. It's all chilling in there. Over here, we got like a monitor. And then we got a little thing that I use for my laptop. I use that today for school. Storage just chilling under here. Really, dude? I'm gonna lift this up, so you better move, man. Alright, so when you open this thing up, like, I have some other, you know, equipment, like, stuff in here. We got, a keyboard, a half keyboard, and then 2 more keyboards. We got a face cam, another face cam. We got, a wireless mouse. I have another one right here, wireless mouse right there. We got a controller that doesn't really work very well. I got another controller near my in my bedstand. Yeah, I just store all the stuff that I would more likely use in here, so it's more organized and whatnot. Just chilling under the bench. We got some, you know, blankets here, just kind of chilling on the bed. You already know, just like on the not on the bed, on the bench, so that, you know, in case I get cold, I got an extra one. Right here, you got my bed. Yeah, I made it. I know. That's crazy, right? I made it. And, you know, we got a lot of stuff. We got, like, a blanket. And, then we got, like, a duvet cover thingy that you're supposed to put in a blanket, but I don't feel like it. And then we got another blanket. And then we got, like, a sheet. Another sheet. I think we have, like, 3 or 4 sheets on here. And then we have, like, a bed protector. And, another, like, kind of sheet that, like, makes it softer. And then we got pillow, longer pillow. And we got like an emoji pillow. And then we got this thing right here. This thing, I can set my phone on it and, you know, watch some TV or something. I have a charger over here also, so I can just kind of bring the charger through here and then kind of plug it in right here, so I can like sleep and like watch YouTube videos or something if I want to. So, you know, I got a charger on that side of the bed. I got a charger on this side of the bed. Right here, we got, well, my TV remote. Remotes is what I meant to say. We got a lava lamp, a regular lamp. It is Alexified. Once more. We got a Kindle, my wallet, some earbuds, some wireless earbuds, pencil sharpener. We got a stand for my phone and watch. Got a little plug right there. We got another plug for my phone right there. And my Alexa right there that controls literally almost everything in my room. Let's go over this real quick. So she controls my fans that are in the windows. She controls my lamp right there. She controls my TV, so she can turn it on and whatnot. She can turn my Xbox on. The lights up here, I had to rig it like that so that like they can all go around the room. So it literally goes all the way around my bedroom, like that. And they're the string lights that I have. So she can also turn those on. She turns this on also. We already went over that. And yeah, she does a lot, man. Yeah, that's basically over here. We got another trash can here. It doesn't have a bag in it yet. In here, we got, like, you know, just the regular stuff you put near a bed. Here, we got, you know, combs, you know, another controller. We got a bunch of my Xbox games and whatnot in there. And then, for the gaming setup, because the gaming setup is not, like, the best setup, but, like, I wanted to save it for last, because it's probably the best part of the room. So, first, we got one monitor. The monitor's pretty chill. It's holding up. So it's not the best monitor, but you know, I like it. So it's, you know, it's all right. We got this monitor here. This monitor's holding up by these speakers here. We got my laptop. Yeah, laptop is all right. We got a controller that is plugged into the back of the PC so that I can actually play games on a controller like that. Also, I just plugged it in for the sake of, you know, showing you guys. You got my Minion cup, because obviously I like Minions. I got a bunch of Minion pajamas I can show you, but I'm not gonna do that. So yeah, here's like the outer view of it right here. Both monitors. Right here we have the keyboard and the mouse, you know, the main ones that I use. And here we got my PC. It is really not the best PC. This PC is actually super old. Yeah, we got this. And then we have a whole extension cord that I put right here. So it's a full extension cord, has a bunch of stuff you can plug into it, and I put it in here especially because it's like I can push my desk back more, and there's the switch right here, so I can just click right there when I turn my PC off, and then it saves more power. So I have like a remote access right here to all the cords that are, you know, that run my PC and all that. And next up, we have these drawers here. In here, the top drawer, we just got some cards, some chapstick, some stuff for my earbuds, more cards. We got some flash drives, keys, and then we got some like keychain type things. You know, just like kind of a junk drawer ish. Down here, we got my teas and my stuff like that. We got my my koozies, my actual coolers, some sugar, some tea, some more tea right there. You know, we're just chilling. This one is a filing cabinet. Got some stuff in there. You don't really need to know what's in there. Then we got the mini fridge. On top of here, we have my my tea maker, basically, or just water heater that I can put tea in. It's already heated, but I'm gonna heat it up some more. You just click the button right there, and it starts to heat up the water. We got the iHome lights up and stuff like that, but like, really, this is not the right thing because that's when I plugged it in. When I plugged it in, it started at 12. That's being a little loud, but this thing for my tea, I don't know why that's there, but it's just chilling. So yeah, it's really not 1110. I can fix that if I plug my phone into it, but I just haven't done it yet. So you can just turn it all the way down like that. And yeah, just in the fridge, like there's nothing really in here. Got a few waters, you know. That's just about it. And so yeah, that's my room really. Let me just do a nice little walk through real quick. We got the cat. We got my setup. Oh, we got Obama up there. Don't ask why I have Obama. Obama's chilling up there. So we got the setup. You get a trash can for like when I'm done with my tea. I can like throw it right there. You know what I'm saying? We got the, you know, the whole setup right here. Not really a setup, but like we got the computer, Xbox, the speakers, salt lamp, you know, all that stuff. Then we go over here. We got another dresser, which is kind of annoying because like I don't really have that much room in here, considering all the desks and dressers I have in here. But the less room, the more cleaner I can keep it. So yeah, that's kind of like where I store a lot of my stuff. And then we got my bed. So this is the room. We got my calendar. We got this cool little painting up here, and we got these little pictures too that I hung up. Also, I'm planning on hanging something else up eventually. Yeah, this is the room, man. It's super clean right now, which is the reason I'm taking the video of it. So yeah, that's basically it, man. Like, my room's not like the best room, but you know, I'm not complaining. Because like, it is a good room. It's a good room, but it's not like the best room. A lot of the stuff is like handed down. Like, these monitors were handed down. My computer was handed down. My laptop. My Xbox wasn't. My Xbox was the only brand new thing that I got. Xbox was brand new, and the TV. Those are the only two things that are like brand new that I got. Speakers, those weren't mine originally. The mini fridge wasn't mine. This is mine. This was brand new also, and so was all the stuff that goes with it. This was mine, but then it wasn't mine. Then it was mine again. And yeah, so a lot of this stuff was just handed down to me. This is brand new. This was handed down. Like, all this was handed down except for like the little stand here and the watch. This pencil sharpener wasn't handed down, you know. But yeah, that's it, man. Like, that's my room. If you want to see anything else, because I'm planning on updating this later on, so I could do like a little update thing, because I'm planning on eventually painting my walls, and you know, maybe getting some new stuff, like maybe getting rid of this and getting like a stand-up one, so that it's like, so I have more space. Not that I need more space, but you know. And then yeah, it's basically all I'm doing, man. I did school right on my bed, so just kind of lay here, laptop, and relaxed. But yeah, that's it for the video. And, you know, that's my room, man. Peace out.